Okay guys, so this is build your own personal website. Now that you've made an awesome website for Anna, let's see if you can make one on your own without any guidance. It'll be hard to remember how to do some things, but that's okay. You've got to struggle a bit to really learn. If you need any reminders, check the Your Skills tab above or just Google it. How should I build it? Start out just like you did for Anna's website, a headline to describe yourself, your profile picture, and maybe a contact form. Then style it with CSS and give the page a cool background image. Uploading images. If you want to use an image from your computer in your design, upload it to a site like Imager and use the public URL they give you. Be sure to use the URL for the image itself and not a web page with the image on it. One last thing, when you finish your site, you'll be given a URL you can use to share it publicly. Share this with your more experienced friends. You'll learn much faster when you get direct feedback on your code. You're done. Okay, so I took and added my photo and added a different background photo. I do not like the way this looks, but I also want to spend more time working on this. So I'm probably going to figure out how I want to do it and then redo this one. So we're going to go ahead and be done with this one now, but I will come back and show you guys what I decided to go with because I do want to make this a real web page, but this is not cutting it. So I also do not know yet how to make this photo smaller, so I'm not going to waste time here, but we have now completed all of the lessons for project 1. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye!